p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manchester to near Blissfield to near Swanson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Petersburg and Ottawa late around 7:25 p.m. Geneva and Lambertville around 7:30 p.m. Milan, Temperance, and Ida around 7:35 p.m. Meade around 7:40 p.m. Lapeer around 7:45 p.m. Monroe and Carlton around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Newport, Cologne, Astral Beach, Toledo Beach, Erie, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Bowles Harbor, and Somalia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan. Here is the forecast